These are our rules for our agricultural mechatronics program. Number 1, safety first. Always prioritize your safety and the safety of others. Number 2, follow instructions. Use tools and machines only as instructed by Hartnell College staff. Number 3, wear appropriate PPE. PPE must be worn at all times in designated areas as directed by Hartnell College staff. Number 5, report damaged or malfunctioning equipment. Immediately report any broken or malfunctioning tools or machines to Hartnell College staff. Do not attempt to repair it yourself. Number 6, follow emergency procedures. Know the location of the exits, fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and eye wash stations. Number 7, no unauthorized use of equipment. Do not operate any machine or tool unless properly trained and authorized by Hartnell College staff member. Number 8, stay alert. Be aware of your surroundings, equipment, and others at all times. Number 9, proper attire required. No loose clothing, dangling jewelry, or open-toed shoes. Number 10, stay in approved areas. Do not go in restricted zones or use equipment labeled out of service. 11, no unauthorized persons in the lab. Only enrolled students or authorized personnel may enter the lab area. Guests, friends, or family members are not allowed without permission from a Hartnell College staff member. Number 12, ask questions. If you're unsure about something working safely, ask before proceeding. Number 13, respect tools and equipment. Use all lab resources responsibly and return tools to their proper place. 14, keep work areas clean. Clean up after yourself and keep walkways and workstations free of clutter. 15, no food or drink in the lab. These are not allowed to avoid contamination and accidents.